This is a high brightness LCD advertising display with optical boarding screen and an ultra nano bezel. The optical boarding technology shortened the display between the LCD screen and the tempered glass so that we can get more clear image and with less reflection. The nano bezel is only 22mm. It looks fraction and elegant. Such a beautiful design, I think it is very suitable to stand outside of the shopping center for business advertising. The aluminum housing with IP rating makes sure its durability for outdoor. Because of the optical boarding technology, there is no dust get in the screen, so the LCD screen is maintenance-free. With the stable quality, we don't need to pay attention on maintenance. Just move it to the right place, mount on the ground, then update the media content remotely.